Hi all, welcome back to Easy School Works. In the previous video, we already learnt about how to subtract integers. If you want to watch that video, please click the link given in the description box. Today, in this video, we will do some more exercises on integers subtraction. So, let's get started. First one is negative 13 minus negative 6. First, what we have to do? We have to write addition symbol instead of subtraction symbol. Copy down the first integer and write the additive inverse of negative 6. What is the additive inverse of negative 6? It's positive 6, right? So write positive 6. Now follow the addition rules. Here we have one negative integer, one positive integer. So subtract the smaller number from bigger number and write the bigger number sign. Here 13 is the bigger number and its sign is negative. So write the negative sign here. 13 minus 6 is 7. So the answer is negative 7. Now let us go to B bit. Negative 8 minus positive 8. First what we have to do? We have to write the addition symbol instead of this minus symbol. Copy down the first integer, that is negative 8. Write the additive inverse of positive 8. It is negative 8. Now follow the addition rules. Here we have two negative integers. Then what we have to do? We have to add two numbers and write the negative sign. 8 plus 8 is 16. So the answer is negative 16. Okay. Now let us go to C1. 3 minus negative 32. First we have to write addition symbol instead of this subtraction symbol. Copy down 3 and write the additive inverse of negative 32. So it's positive 32. Now follow the addition rules. Here we have two positive integers. Then what we have to do? We have to add two numbers and write the positive sign. 3 plus 32 is 35. So the answer is positive 35. Okay. Now let us go to D bit. First, write the addition symbol instead of subtraction symbol. Copy down minus 9. Write the additive inverse of positive 15. What is the additive inverse of positive 15? It is negative 15. Now follow the addition rules. Here we have two negative integers. So what we have to do? We have to add two numbers and write the negative sign. 9 plus 15 is 24. So the answer is negative 24. Now let us go to another set of examples. Here we have negative 6 minus positive 5 minus positive 2. Okay, first let us simplify till here. What we have to do? Instead of this subtraction symbol, we have to write the addition symbol right here. Copy down negative 6 and write the additive inverse of positive 5. So it is negative 5. Copy down this one, minus plus 2. Okay, simplify this. Now follow the addition rules. Here we have two negative integers. So add two numbers and write the negative sign. Okay, and copy down this one, minus positive 2. 6 plus 5 is 11. So negative 11 minus positive 2. Okay, now let us simplify this one. Instead of this subtraction symbol, we have to write the addition symbol. Copy down negative 11 and write the additive inverse of positive 2. It is negative 2. Now follow the addition rules. Here we have again two negative integers. So we have to add 11 and 2 and write the negative sign. 11 plus 2 is 13. So the answer is negative 13. Okay. Now let us go to B bit. Here we have 2 minus 4 minus 11. Let us simplify till here. First, what we have to do, instead of this subtraction symbol, we have to write the addition symbol. So write here, copy down this 2 and write the additive inverse of positive 4. It is negative 4. Right here. Copy down this one, minus 11. Okay, now let us simplify this. Follow the addition rules. Here we have one positive integer and one negative integer. So what we have to do? We have to subtract the smaller number from bigger number and we have to write the bigger number sign. See, here 4 is the bigger one, so we have to write the negative sign and copy down this one, minus 11. 4 minus 2 is 2. So the answer is negative 2 and copy down this one, minus 11. Now simplify this one. Instead of this subtraction symbol, we have to again write addition symbol, copy down negative 2 and write the additive inverse of positive 11. It is negative 11. Now follow the addition rules. Here we have two negative integers. So what we have to do? We have to add two numbers and write the negative sign. 11 plus 2 is 13. So the answer is negative 13. Okay. In this way we have to subtract the integers. I hope this video is very helpful to you. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you.